Alright, everybody. Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, wherever you're watching this, and whatever time, I guess. So, today we're just going to be doing a bit more JavaScript, but it's going to be, I know I did a thing on Twine, on game creating, but we're going to be jumping back, because I thought this was good for any of you who wanted to follow up for that. I just thought this might be handy. Yeah, throw it out there. So first, you're just going to type up your basic Java thing. This will just be a bit noisy for a sec with all the typing. Sorry. Yeah, okay. Slash head and then body. Now, once you've got your basics set up, you just want to go and do the usual title, name your script. I'll name it variables because that's because that's what we're kind of focusing on today. And title. And then next here, you just want to go script. Sorry about typing this out. I really should have copied and pasted this beforehand. Anyway, but yeah. So I briefly went over Boolean, string, and god damn it, the other type. God, whatever they are. The other type of variables in the other video, and that's basically what we're going to be focusing on here. So you're going to create what you're going to do is create some variables and define them in this. So I'll do, I just want to keep it simple. You want to name your variables like my name instead of just, my name instead of just name, because that is already a function in JavaScript. So if you use name and set it as a variable, then it's going to confuse the program. It's going to try and use a command instead of your variable. So you want to name it things that you think wouldn't already be commands, like my name wouldn't. Well, it's not a command, but just things like that that are usually two words. They're not too common. Anyway, so you want to define this as it could be a number 9. I'm not sure who's called 9 though. But or you can be your name, but obviously because it's a string type, you're going to need to put quotations around it. So Nick, quotation, and then this isn't incredibly necessary for what we're doing, but it's always good to just do the semicolons and then just script. It's just good practice to get in to do that. But anyway, next one is you want to define a couple more variables. So I'll do my food. This is the same one as the same one I learned to do it this way, so I just thought it might be easy to do it this way. My food is, we'll define that as pears, and that. Oops, sorry, someone's just gone absolutely crazy on their horn outside. Sorry about that. Now I can do amount eaten. Sorry, this is kind of slow. Amount eaten, I'll go like 6. Oh, don't need things for that, sorry, 6. And then amount total equals 9. Now, as you can see here, there are all your variables defined just in this little bit here. And this may seem a little impractical for just what I'm about to show you, because you're like, oh, I could have just typed it out, which is completely fair enough, but it gets really useful later on when you're doing if-else variables, that kind of thing, and you just want to change something really quick instead of typing out all this stuff again. You can just go in here and change that to like 8 or like 3 or whatever, but I'll show you that's practical applications later. First off, you just want to go name your statement, so keep it simple again, my statement. And once again, that can be anything. Like I could name that like, I don't know, this video is amazing, and then that would work as a statement, I believe. But just stick with my statement because it's easy, and then you go equal. So this is what my statement will become, and this is where you can use your variables. So my statement is, you put in my name, which will come out as Nick, and then you go plus, space, because you want to have a space in there. Oh wait, yeah, my name, so that's Nick, and then 8. And then you want to do amount eaten. Sorry, these are different to the ones I was using in practice, so it's just a bit. Yeah, 8, 9, plus space, plus my food, plus Actually, yeah, that's fine for now. So Nick 8, 6 pairs. So that's fine for now. I'll just show you that. And then you want to go down here. You want to do your classic alert, my statement, and don't put it in quotations because otherwise it will literally just say my statement. You just want to do my statement because it's then it will say this, which is everything in here. So alert my statement, and then you just want to come here and just end the script. Now, I'll just save this to desktop, I guess, and we'll see. This should just about work. Save as desktop, and then just go video.html, save that, and then this, when opened in web, yeah, see, Nick 8, 6 pairs. Oh, and then at the end I should probably go plus full stop. Right, so as you can see, that's just the basic thing you can make with variables there. Input these, and then as you can see, if I just want to change the amount eaten instead of, as like I know it would be easier instead of like, because you could just backspace 6 and do like 7, like the same I'm doing here and there, in here, but it's different. It's a lot easier, like I said, when you've got a lot of variables and that kind of thing. So now if I save it again, then it'll say Nick 8, 7 pairs. See? So that's kind of cool. I'm just gonna pause for a second. I'll come back in a bit, and I'll show you some cool other things you can do. Alright, I am back, and so what I was thinking is I was just testing something out, and what you can actually do is using this amount total, because we haven't used this variable yet, we can just throw this in at the end. Well, not at the end. If we replace this, put in a space, and go leaving, put another space. Sorry, I just catch it here. And then plus, and then we go amount. See, this is where having the variables comes in handy. Amount total minus amount eaten. Then that will actually do the maths in there. So, what just happened? It'll do the maths in there. So whatever the amount total equals, it will minus the amount eaten from that. So then if I do just plus and then that and that, yeah, that should work just about. I'll show you that work here. Should equal 3. Oh, leaving 2. Nick 8, 7 pairs, leaving 2 because I increased it to 7. I forgot about that. Yeah, so if we then, you can see just here, if we change 7 to 3, then it should leave 6, as you can see here. Yeah, come in. Yeah, leaving 6, and there you go. So that's just kind of how you can see the variables are useful, and you can just throw them in and change them however you like. So yeah, I hope this has been useful, and I'll probably come out with another one of these soon. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you, bye!